Get ready with me. I'm going shopping today and just returning a few things. Ow. I'm using a facial oil to kind of prep my skin today. It's from the brand Indie. I am going to London in 2 weeks. My birthday is also in 2 weeks. It's on February 5th. It just so happens that I will be celebrating my birthday on a brand trip with like one of the most amazing brands. I seriously could not be more excited. I did something really cool yesterday. I put this Shape Tape Glow on all over my face as like a foundation type of stuff. This is like a flawless filter, so I mainly use this to highlight my face, but I really loved how it just looked all over my skin. And then I blend it out with this kabuki brush. They didn't ask me not to say anything, but I'm not sure how much I could say. But I'm going with Yves Saint Laurent. I seriously could not be happier. It's gonna be a really intimate brand trip. We're gonna do so many cool things. I just seriously could not be happier. I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. The trip actually doesn't start until the 5th. The plan was that they were gonna fly us out on the 5th and then we get there on the 6th. But they actually are gonna fly me out on the 4th, so that way I could just spend my birthday in London. Which, I mean, it does not get better than that. I'm seriously so freaking grateful and so incredibly happy. And I'm so excited to take you guys along with me. Glowgasm wand. Just a little. I'm gonna use my Sigma palette in this like pinky shade. Last time I was in London, I actually signed with an agency. So I'm signed in New York and London. So I actually had plans to come out to London sometime at the end of February, maybe beginning of March. Just because when you sign with an agency, that's not where you're like based. Usually you have to spend a little bit of time there just for development and stuff. So I think I will be going to London a lot this year. It's slowly like starting to become one of my favorite places. I'm gonna gel my brows with the 24-hour brow setter. I'm actually gonna curl my lashes a little bit. I am so scared. I have not done this in like years. Oh my god. Okay, I think I did it. Then I have this mini version of their real mascara from Benefit. And I'm just gonna like put it at the ends of my lashes. Everything mini just works so much better. I want to put my hair up. That's the reason why I did such light makeup. I think I'm gonna do like a pony maybe. Something like this. I did a little bun. Alright, that's it. I'll keep you guys updated on everything.